Now let us take an example, numerical example of k nearest neighbor algorithm. Let us consider I have the few students record, and now I want to find out the X student is pass or fail. So based on the previous data, based on my previous student's data, now I want to classify that this X student is belonging to which category? Is it he is a pass category? Is it he is in the pass category, or is it he is in the fail category? So how we can find out that? So first understand the data set. So I have the data set. In the data set I have the 5 records. So let us consider these are the serial number, or you can say that these are roll number. So roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 students in my class having the marks in respectively displayed in a table. At roll number 1 having the math marks in a math is 4, and in computer science there is a 3. And roll number 2 having the mathematical marks is 6, and the computer science is 7. It is out of 10. Okay. So out of 10, these students are getting this mark. Okay. So you can see that the roll number 1 and the roll number 4 are failed because they have the 4 and 3 marks in respect to maths and computer science, and the 5 and 5 in maths and the computer science. So that's why these 2 students are failed. And when I want to find out the next student, that is X student, so my target is to find out if the X student is pass or fail, as he has the 6 mark in mathematics and the 8 mark in the computer science. So is it he is a pass, or is it he is a fail? So my query is like this: X having the marks math is equal to 6 and the computer science is equal to 8. Is the student pass or fail? Now let us consider we are taking the value of k is equal to 3. You can take any random value. Okay. First of all, the value of k you can choose is a random value. So, and it is most you have to choose as a odd number. So you can select is a 3, you can select it as a 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, anything. Okay, so let us, for simplicity, I am considering the value of k here as is equal to 3 to find out the nearest neighbor. To find out my nearest neighbor, I have to use the Euclidean distance formula to find out the distance between the values. So what is the Euclidean distance formula? The Euclidean distance formula is that under root summation of I equal to 1 to k xi minus yi whole square, where x and y are the values of x and y coordinates. So you can simplify it. D is equal to, that is Euclidean distance, D is equal to under root mod of x01 minus xa1 whole square plus x02 minus xa2 whole square, where x0 is my observed value, whereas xa is my actual value. Okay, so what is x0? The x0 is my observed value and the xa is my actual value. So here the 6 and 8 are my observed value and xa is my actual value. Okay, so let's move to the next, how to find out the distance using the Euclidean. So as per the formula to find out the Euclidean distance, under root mod of x01 minus xa1 whole square plus x02 minus xa2 whole square. So So I am considering my observed value. My observed value here is 6 and 8. Okay. So first, what I am doing here, 6 minus 4. So what is the 6 minus 4? The first student's marks in mathematics and the X student's marks in mathematics. Okay. So my X student having the mark in mathematics is 6 minus roll number 1 student's marks in mathematics is 4 whole square plus X student's marks in computer science, that is 8, and roll number 1 student's computer science marks, that is 3. So 6 minus 4 whole square plus 8 minus 3 whole square. So 6 minus 4, that is 2 whole square plus 5 whole square. So it is nothing but the 4 plus 25, so under root 29. So the value for under root 29 is equal to 5.38. In the next, you have to find out 6, that is my observed value of X student in mathematics marks minus 6, that is mathematics marks of roll number 2 student. So 6 minus 6 whole square plus 8 minus 7 whole square. So that is 0 plus 1 whole square, and it is nothing but the 1. Move to the next for the roll number 3 student. 6 minus 7 whole square plus 8 minus 8 whole square, that is again 1. Move to the next, that is roll number 4. 6 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square, that is under root 10 is equal to 3.16. And for last student, that is 6 minus 8 whole square plus 8 minus 8 whole square, that is 0, is equal to 2. So when you are considering, these are the distances. What is that distances? These are the distances from the value x. Okay. So if you draw the circle by keeping the roll number x as the center, and now you want to find out the 3 nearest neighbor, so you can get so 1, 1 and the 2, because these are the very near to value to the center. Okay. So the roll number 2, roll number 3 and the roll number 5. So when you consider this roll number 1, roll number 2 and roll number 3 and the 5, you can get that these 3 values are very near. Okay. Let me again make it very clear. Okay. So these are the distances of roll number, or you can say that the serial number D1, D2, D3, D4 and the D5. So out of that, if you consider the D2, that is the roll number 2 distance is 1, roll number 3's distance is 1, and the roll number 5's distance is 2. Okay. So as we are considering the value of A is equal to 3, so you have to select the base 3 nearest neighbors. So I select the D2, D3 and the D5. Now check the result of D2, D3 and D5. So the result of D2, D3 and D5 are passed. So on the basis of that, you can see that this. So on the basis of that, the confidence of this 3 value is greater. So that's why we are selecting this student as a pass student. Okay, so you can say that this student is a pass because there you can say that the pass, the student are the pass, while there is a 0 fail when we use the KNN nearest neighbor for 1 up to 1 2. Okay, so this is result say that if you having the marks 6 and 8 respectively in the mathematics and the computer science, you will definitely pass. So the result of X student, you can say that the student is pass. So this is all about the KNN algorithm with an example. Yes, any student having any queries?